Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to safely remove your USB flash drive from your computer. It's important that you safely remove your flash drive and not just remove it by unplugging it to avoid getting your data corrupt, also to stop any ongoing processes, as this will result in data loss and will definitely damage your flash drive or your SD card long term. Now there's two ways to do this. I'm going to show you the first way now. You're going to right click on your drive that you want to remove. You're going to scroll down to eject and you're going to eject your drive. Now this is going to safely stop all processes, all ongoing file transfers, and allow you to remove your drive without it becoming corrupt. I'm going to show you the second method now, which you can use. I'm going to plug my USB flash drive back into my computer. I've plugged it back in. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you another way you can do this now, guys. It's very important that you use these methods to remove your drives. Going to click on this arrow by your action center. You're going to click on this USB icon and you're going to say eject safely. Now on most computers it would say eject, or it would also say safely remove hardware. You click on that and that will stop all processes and safely remove your device.